Hello guys, you definitely should not take home any of the toys in this video. However, because if they don't outright kill you, they have a good chance of at least maiming you or causing some good old-fashioned brain damage. Thankfully, most of these toys have long been pulled off the shelves, and you should have to go out of your way to find them, but God help you if you do. Let's start our top 5 most dangerous gifts. Number 5. Easy Bake Oven. Can someone please explain to me why you would give a child an oven? Easy Bake Ovens are small, true, and they are heated using a light bulb. Yes, but they also reach temperatures of 350 degrees. That's hot enough to bake a chicken breast. Not to mention the several cakes, cookies, pies, and other assorted treats that came in the little boxes of Easy Bake Oven Mix. In 2007, Easy Bake Oven suffered a recall not once, but twice within a few short months of each other after several children got their fingers caught in the doors and burned them, often severely. One child reportedly even had to have portions of her finger amputated after the little powerhouse of an oven cooked it to the bone. Number 4. Hoverboards. We are in the future and it's bright, extremely bright. In fact, from all the fires, hoverboards were long considered a staple of the ideal future, a sign that we had finally arrived at the peak of technology advancement. What we got was not as great as we had hoped. For one thing, the hoverboard had wheels, making them less hoverboard and more like a Segway without handlebars. Secondly, the darn things kept bursting into flames at the worst possible time, which is to say, any time ever. Why were they bursting into flame? Well, we don't know. Some of the reported explosion of fire and melted plastic happened with the hoverboard was simply sitting still and unused. On the bright side, this is a great way to burn down your business for the insurance money and not get caught. Number 3. CSI Fingerprint Examination Kit. Is there anything more fun as a child than pretending to be a crime scenes investigator? You get to feel smart and catch the bad guy by simple mistakes he cannot help but make. With the CSI fingerprint examination kit, you could play this little game even better, picking up actual fingerprints to inspect and compare. Finally, you can solve the mystery of who really took the last cookies from the jar. Then, of course, you get cancer and die because the fingerprint powder contained asbestos. In fact, the powder was roughly 7% asbestos, which is more than enough to give you mesothelioma and render you eligible for financial compensation. The mystery that should have been solved here is how this ever passed any safety checks. Number 2. Roller Skating Barbie. Barbie has more careers, expertise, and hobbies than we can count. But one of the forgotten hobbies that few remember is roller skating. Barbie is allegedly quite skilled at it, moving so fast on her skates that she leaves a trail of fire in her wake. Literally rolling out in the 1980s, roller skating Barbie was a big hit until it was discovered that her skates were literally creating sparks that would light anything even a little flammable like a candle. After a few fires and burns, roller skating Barbie and the matching were discontinued and recalled, never to be seen again. Number 1. Water Slides. Welcome back to summer. Your baby almost drowned in the pool, but you got her out just in time. Thank goodness. You decided to set up another activity, a slip and slide. A cannot go wrong classic that keeps your party going. The kids love it. The parents love that the kids are entertained. And all seemed well until your husband decided to be a clone and just on the slip and slide as well. Things are going good until he hits the end the slides and nearly breaks his neck and definitely slip a disc, being thrown onto the grass from a sudden stop. The extra length and weight of an adult means extra speed, and extra speed means a sudden stop is more deadly than ever. Some toys, it seems, are for kids only. Thank you guys for watching and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.